the trained professional stupid people of microwaving.
Yeah,
So
we're knobs.
yeah, if you want to try it at home, you can. We don't recommend it because if it does explode, you probably
Do not try at home because we're professional knobs. So yeah.
Is it? I think it's probably melting the metal. The metal.
give it-
No, not the metal. It's probably melting the glass.
All right. We just gotta wait.
Wait like a couple minutes. Yeah, if you do try it at home, make sure you have like water and stuff ready, and yeah, make sure you have like masks because it really doesn't stink. Oh yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, by the way.
Yeah. I'm gonna be doing YouTube videos every week. Okay, let's check out. Still, that looks like it's melting a bit. See that, guys? Whew.
All
Alright, let's put it back in.
Let's put.
Alright, right, this is gonna be fun.
And if it does explode, we will probably run.
Yeah. If it explodes,
Yeah.
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 Make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and yeah.
Also, you do it.
Okay.
Ah, my toe!
Good muscle, guys. Try you do. Wait, so tight.
I'm gonna put my phone out here.
Might go bang.
Might go bang!
Like this.
Oh, Zach, you got it all wrong. And like, no, like that.
So it's like,
Oh, Zach, you got it wrong. It's like,
yeah,
that's
that's
weak.
right.
That's weak.
That is
That.
That's right.
I think that's like snap off. Guys, it might explode. We don't know. We have seen some videos. Ooh.
Stand over just in case it does.
Guys, we are standing back a bit further away because we don't want to be in its rear of exploding. Yeah.
Sure, yeah. It's still another. It's not going to explode.
We are the ultimate knobs of everything. We are trained professionals
Yeah.
of being knobs. Yeah. See? Knob. Oh, what's happening? I think it's like, what is that?
Let's have a look.
Oh. Oh, it's melting.
Looks like it's melting, guys. You have a look.
I
in
don't
there.
reckon it will explode though.
It might. Well, I
Ooh.
haven't got anything.
Why is the wire not melting?
Okay.
Just checking.
It's gonna go.
So now what's we wonder what's gonna happen. We really hope something good's gonna happen.
I hear it sizzling a bit. What it is as well?
It is.
Yeah, just listen. I want to get too close
I don't know
because it
yeah.
might explode.
I don't know
in our
if you
face.
guys can hear it though, sizzling. Yeah. It's really like, I don't know if you can hear it sizzling. Can you like? Oh my god, what was that?
What? Right there.
Wait, check it. Careful. Oh my god!
Whoa.
Open up. What is that? What is that?
It's like ink.
It's like exploding. What is that?
Whoa.
Holy guacamole.
Alright, guys.
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe to that.
And come back for the aftermath.
Yeah, and we'll show you it.
Peace out.